Hey everybody, Dr. Phil from MCATpathway.com. Today we have a sweet mnemonic called Oh My Such Good Apple Pie. It's going to help us with structures, particularly with TCA cycle, as well as some related things. So let's take a look. So we have a series of dicarboxylic acids that increase in the addition of methylene groups between the two terminal carboxyl groups. We start with oxalic acid, where the O in Oh My Such Good Apple Pie also means zero, as in zero methylene groups between the two carboxylic acids. As we start to add methylene groups, we get the first methylene group for malonic acid, and you probably recognize malonyl-CoA as being an intermediate in fatty acid synthesis. There's also succinic acid, as in succinate, TCA cycle, that has two methylene groups between the carboxyls, and there's glutaric acid that has three. So oxalic, malonic, succinic, glutaric, and then adipic and pimelic have 4 and 5 respectively. They're less biologically relevant, so Oh My Such Good Apple Pie means oxalic, malonic, succinic, glutaric, adipic, and pimelic acids. And so once you know that, you can start building structures. You can take oxalic acid and get oxaloacetate, a 4-carbon intermediate that combines with acetyl-CoA to make citrate in TCA cycle. So oxaloacetate, if you take acetate as 2 carbons and combine it with oxalic acid, which is 2, you get the 4-carbon OAA. You can also derive alpha-ketoglutarate, because we know that glutaric acid has 3 methylene groups, but if we take one of them and make an alpha-keto, as you see there, we get alpha-ketoglutarate. And we know that in TCA, alpha-ketoglutarate is oxidized to succinyl-CoA, and that oxidation event creates CO2 and reducing power, which is one of the primary reasons for the TCA cycle. And succinyl-CoA, therefore, has 1 less carbon than alpha-ketoglutarate. And so you can use this to actually start thinking about the structures and what happens when you oxidize. You lose carbons, or what used to be methylene groups, and then you can come check us out at MCATpathway.com. We're the MCAT experts.